I've done a lot of activities. We've played a lot in the pool. And I've done coloring. It's super cool. I've done water balloon fights. Playing with a bunch of my new friends. I've done games at the fields. I thought it was awesome because I got to